Good morning, students. In last lecture, I already told about inorganic compounds like gypsum, plaster of Paris, copper sulfate, blue in color, water of crystallization. You know, copper have 5 water of crystallization. But in this lecture, we have to discuss about the first is the uses of organic compound. In last lecture, we already discussed about the uses of inorganic compound. Yes. Now we see the uses of organic compound. Organic compound are those which are made from carbon and hydrogen. Their first definition what? The organic compound are those which are made from living things. But when the first scientist Haller is there, which discover organic compound urea from the inorganic compound, non-living things, from the non-living things. So their new definition is what? Those compound which are made from carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. Example, methane, CH4. They have the carbon also, hydrogen also. For example, methane, CH4. Yes, they have a carbon also and a hydrogen also. Example, CO2, carbon dioxide. Yes, they not have a hydrogen, that's why it is inorganic. Ammonia, NH3, they not have carbon, that's why inorganic. All the organic compound is studied in the organic chemistry. Carbon and its derivative. Yes, carbon and hydrogen is must in case of the organic compound. Organic compound are those which are made from carbon and hydrogen. Carbon and hydrogen. If carbon is not there, then also inorganic. If hydrogen is not there, then also inorganic. Yes. First of all, we have to discuss the carbohydrate. Yes, carbohydrate. Carbohydrate. Yes, produced by the plants. Carbohydrate, you know, all sugar, glucose, starch, cellulose, sucrose. Glucose formula C6H12O6. Yes. Yes, glucose formula. See there first of all. Glucose formula C6H12O6. It has the hydrogen also, carbon also. If more element is there, oxygen, nitrogen, don't worry. Carbon and hydrogen must. So that's why it is an organic compound. Sucrose C12H22O11. Here double. Here also double. Sucrose. Cellulose. So carbohydrate produced by plant only by the reaction photosynthesis. By which reaction? Photosynthesis. Yes. By which reaction? Photosynthesizes. Yes, naturally occurring organic compound available in large amount like glucose, starch, which are the naturally occurring, made by the nature only, that always in the large amount is there. You know, everything in the world is made from the carbon only, carbon and hydrogen. Organic compounds are there. But when we add the chemicals in there, that is inorganic in nature. That's why harmless. Yes, students. So during photosynthesis, the plants prepare glucose. During photosynthesis, a plant prepare glucose. But during respiration, glucose break into energy. Yes, see the photosynthesis reaction. Yes, CO2. Plants take carbon dioxide from the outside with the opening of stomata and water from the roots. Yes, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll. In the presence of chlorophyll, that gives us a C6H12O6 plus O2, that is a glucose. That is a glucose, and O2 is a oxygen gas. Yes. So the reverse reaction is the respiration. The reverse reaction is the respiration. You see there? Yes, when carbon dioxide reacts with the water, it gives us a glucose. And the reverse reaction is respiration. Yes. Glucose, starch, cellulose, maltose, sucrose, these all are the carbohydrates. Some sugar are the complex carbohydrates, some are the simple, like glucose is a simple. We are able to digest very easily. But we not have any enzyme to digest the cellulose, like a grass. Yes, animals have the one enzyme to digest the cellulose. Yes, from the carbohydrate we get instant energy, but from the fat we get energy for the long time. When you not eat anything, so which nutrient give the energy to you? Yes, student, fats only. Yes, carbohydrate give us instant energy. Carbohydrate give us instant energy. During photosynthesis, the plant prepare the glucose. But during the respiration, glucose break into the energy. That give us energy. Combustion reaction is going on. Reverse reaction. You take the glucose plus oxygen, that give us a CO2 plus water and plus energy in the form of a ATP. In the form of a ATP. That stored in our body in the form of a ATP. Adenosine triphosphate. The full form of ATP is adenosine triphosphate. Yes, students. Glucose store in plant in the form of starch. Plants store the glucose in the form of starch only, students. And extra glucose in our body store in the form of glycogen. Yes, glycogen. Carbohydrate provide energy to everyone. Yes, our cell walls of the plants. Cell wall of the plants and bacteria are made from the carbohydrate and named as a cellulose. Yes, from the outside their walls made from the carbohydrate. That is the cellulose. Special. Yes, this cellulose is used to make the furniture, clothes and paper. Cellulose used to make the shelter. Yes, furniture, clothes and paper. Yes. Now our next topic is protein. Proteins. Yes, proteins come from the Greek word. That is a proteosis. Yes, proteose. The word is a proteose. Yes. Yes, building blocks of the life. You know, protein is very important for us. Help in the growth of our body. Help in the growth of our plant. Yes. Our environment, how much nitrogen is there? 78%, student. How much nitrogen is there? 78%. Yes, how much nitrogen is there in the environment? 78%. Yes, see there, nitrogen how much is? 78%. Oxygen 21%. Rest of the other gases is there. Water vapors, other gases also. Yes. Why the nitrogen 78% in the environment, student? Because nitrogen is very important for the plants and for us also, for the growth. Plants unable to take the nitrogen directly. So which plant, first leguminous plants are there which convert the nitrogen gas into nitrates. Because nitrogen gas not soluble in water. They convert the nitrogen gas into nitrate and nitrites. Nitrate, you know, NO3 negative, and nitrite is NO2 negative into that compound, and that compound is easily soluble in the water, easily taken by the plants. Yes, so when it converts into nitrate and nitrites, that helps to make the protein, and protein helps the plant in growth, And when we eat the plant, then our body growth is there. Maintenance of our body, repair the wear tear cells, everything is done by the protein only. Formation of our cell also by the protein only. Yes, that they have the primary importance, a very importance. From the first only, that is very important. Firstly, we require protein only for the growth of our body. Yes, proteins are actually building block of our life, highly complex, protein made from carbon, hydrogen and nitrogen together. Yes, essential for the growth and it is also called nitrogenous compound. It is also called nitrogenous compound, essential for growth and maintenance of the plant, animals and human beings, and also help in building, maintaining and replacing the tissues. Tissue, you know, group of cell. Yes, also repair the wear tear cells also. The main source is the milk, pulses, peanut and fish. Leguminous plant, like a pulses plant only, pea plant. Yes, so these are the leguminous plant. Actually, in these, the leguminous plants, root have nodules. In a nodules, one bacteria is there, Rhizobium bacteria. Yes, one bacteria is there, Rhizobium bacteria, which convert the nitrogen into nitrate. The process is called nitrogen fixation. That process is called nitrogen fixation. That process is called nitrogen fixation. So by this way the plant get the protein. And when we eat the plant, when you eat the plant, then you get the protein from the plant. Actually protein is made from the amino acids. Amino acids. The main source is the milk, cheese, pulses, pea plant, fish, etc. Yes, I hope you understand this. My next topic is a hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon. Hydro mean hydrogen and carbon mean carbon only, organic compound only. Yes, hydrocarbon. These mainly used as a fuel. Hydrocarbon. Hydrocarbon means H means hydrogen and carbon. Example, methane gas. Mainly it used as a fuel. Methane. Marsh gas. Mainly it is called marsh gas. Found in marshy areas and mainly in the petroleum wells also. Like CNG. CNG also called a compressed natural gas. One more gas, LPG. A liquefied petroleum gas. And CNG is compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas, student. Now the CNG also called PNG, piped natural gas. When you get the natural gas at home with through the pipe, that is called piped natural gas. Pipe. Eco-friendly gas is there. Now the lot of vehicles also run on that fuel, CNG. 54 rupees only liter. But now petrol is the 105 rupees. Yes, very costly. Yes, methane is the marsh gas. This all are the hydrocarbon made from the carbon and hydrogen. Another made from the carbon and hydrogen, petrol, okay, diesel, kerosene, some other things also. So these are the mainly hydrocarbons, mainly used as a fuel, very important for us. So these are the three topics, students. Carbohydrate, first one is the uses of organic compound, carbohydrate. Then second one is a protein, third one is a hydrocarbon. Thank you.